These are the Vietnamese Ngoc Cham chicken wings. Salty, fishy, sticky. I like those little onions on it. Very flavorful. This is mac and cheese with bacon. Let's dig in. Oh yeah, look at that mac and cheese. Oh, that is really good. Beautiful flavors, very creamy, very cheesy, and that bacon nice and crisp. This is one good mac and cheese. This is the Italian fried chicken sandwich which has ham in it, and wow, just look at that cross section, guys. The bread is delicious, the chicken is crispy. I really like the ham in there, but it's a little spicy for my palate.